Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will be convey about book presentation of our group 6, and the title is The Last Lecture, written by Randy Pouts. Okay, our member is Cikal Rumangalam, novel Hajit Tafakurullah, and me, Andika Putra Ramadan, and Rizky Darmawansyah.
What a book it is! The last lecture offers significant insight about the meaning of life and how to seize opportunities from the perspective of the man facing them, who advise everyone to live a good life and have a positive impact on the world.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noval Jitafa Krullah. I am here to continue the presentation from Rizky. Now we talk about summary book. Randy Pouts seemed to have it all: a loving wife, 3 children, and a successful teaching career. However, the one thing that he did not have was good health. At 46, he was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. His doctor gave him 3 to 6 months left to live. The last lecturer explored the meaningful insight one man gathered throughout his last moment on earth. Following the tradition of giving a last lecture at the end of an academic year, Randy gave his college and students a last speech. He talked about the meaning of his life and what he thinks one should leave behind as a legacy. His beautiful words impacted the audience greatly, leaving behind valuable lessons for life and a room filled with emotion. At the end of his speech, he dedicated a part to his children, whom he loved very much. As a matter of fact, he was concerned they wouldn't be able to finish his speech as he got quite emotional when talking about them. He stated that the sorrow he felt came from the idea of leaving his young kid behind to grow up without a father, and not so much from the idea of dying. Still, he felt that he lived his life fully and that he achieved his childhood dream. As such, he tried to inspire others to do the same before he passed away.
One interesting about Randy course is that they were interactive and fun. He used to divide his class into groups and give them a handbook. The handbook contained information on how to form better connection and kick off a group session properly. Learning each other names, fostering brainstorming, and eating before work are pieces of advice that he included in. The majority of students react as if they were treated like children when receiving these handbooks. This is because they were tired of hearing chilled pieces of advice and hearing such obvious information. However, the groups who took it seriously and implement the instruction were the ones who had the best score in the end. Why is that? You may be asking yourself. The simplest advice can be most the meaningful one. Randy learned that he should never take one for granted, but rather take a moment and really reflect on its meaning and how to implement in it his life. He found this is a valuable lesson. We should all learn to live a happier, more meaningful life. Sometimes we may be receiving advice that seems obvious or oversaturated. However, the reason we hear them so frequently is because they are full of wisdom. Therefore, next time to you hear work hard or be patient, try to reflect on their meaning and how they can be applied to your situation. You may find it surprising that they can be quite helpful and help you turn around a negative event in your life. We like this part because gave us a lesson, a simple advice does not necessarily mean poor advice but rather the opposite.
recommended this book to our friends. Why? Because there's many lessons in this book that can be taken and applied in everyday life. First, sticking to your dreams and ambitions will make them eventually come true. Second, we find pleasures often in giving, so helping others. Success can help you reach great level of satisfaction. And last, the simplest advice can be the most valuable one.
Quotes from book A Last Lecture is, if I could only give 3 words of advice, they would be the truth. If I got 3 more words, I add all the time. Okay, this is from us. Thanks for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.